Welcome to another edition of Ask Nappy. I'm Abhinav Girdhar, founder of Appy Pie. Today's question comes from Lakhwinder in New Delhi, and he runs a YouTube channel. And he wonders if he could use Appy Pie's website builder to create a video website. Yes, Lakhwinder, with Appy Pie's website builder, you can certainly create a video website for your YouTube channel. To get started, you need to first go into our Appy Pie's website builder, click on Get Started. You need to adjust the design themes. Once you're happy with the design themes, you need to go into the editor. You need to go into the video section. In the video section, you will see we have a multitude of integrations available for you, including YouTube and YouTube Live, Facebook and Facebook Live. So I am assuming you already have a YouTube channel running. You simply need to go into the YouTube integration, put in the channel details over there. Automatically, Appy Pie's proprietary technology would pull up all your videos from your channel and will showcase it on the website. For those of you who do not use YouTube but are using Vimeo, Dailymotion or Ustream, we also support these integrations on our platform. And we also allow you to add your own custom videos in our platform as well. And for those of you who are streaming live, we also support live streaming feature on Appy Pie's video. So if you just need to get your M3U8 links and incorporate those M3U8 links in the video's live streaming section, and we're able to stream your live stream through your website as well. For those of you who are running a video blog, we also support media RSS feature. So what you need to do is simply get that MRSS file, incorporate it in the media RSS feature that we have on Appy Pie's website builder, and we automatically go and are able to scrape all your media links and encapsulate it in our website. And another use case what we see from time to time is that a lot of our users offer premium content. They do not want to publish it on public websites like YouTube or Vimeo. So for those of you, we have a custom video feature. There, what you could do is upload all your video libraries into the custom video, and then you could actually monetize them using in-app purchase feature. So all those users who want to access the premium content that you're offering would need to first subscribe through in-app purchase. Only then they will get access to this premium content. If you like this edition, then do remember to share it on social media channels like Facebook and Twitter, and do remember to subscribe to our channel.